Good morning. How are you all? I hope you are doing good and everything is okay for you. In case everything is not okay, you are really welcome in my channel. I am here for especially you who are in Africa, anywhere in Africa, Nigeria, Uganda, Kenya, Cameroon. If you speak French, you speak English, you are all welcome. I know there is a challenge out there. They really have a big challenge out there where it's hard for you to make money online like every young people they are doing right now. So in that case, what you should do, I have many way I can help you to grow. I'm not here to offer you classes or to offer you a something like to take money from you. But I want you really to learn how you can make it. And to see my channel is a big chance for you. If you don't success on making money online, for sure it's not my fault because I am really transparent and I am ready to show you step by step how you can do it. I make some a digital product. If you buy one, I say buy because nothing is for free. And if you really want to make money online and you just expect to get things for free, I'm telling you, you are not going to make it because you have to have document and you have to have thing to teach you step by step. Either you get a coach where you pay more than 1,000 US. I don't say I am a coach, I am not. I don't do that. But for me, I only sell digital product for you to learn how to sell yours also. Because what is digital product? Digital product is something you just have to get a platform. You put anything you have knowledge on, and you put it there, and people have opportunity to buy it from you. And after that, can learn by themselves how they should do it. So that's why I really consecrated myself in teaching, especially people in Africa, how to do that. So visit my channel, visit the link and so on. Because I am using Selar and I will show you also how you should do it. I will show you also how you should do it and how you can use Seller to get money from everywhere. I mean, if someone buy a product, what is digital product? Digital product can be a ebook. It can be just a file. Okay, so it depends. If it's just a file you are making, it can be $7, it can be $3, it can be four and $1. And so, and if it's a full book, a ebook you make, it can be like 15 US dollar and so on. But when I say US, and one thing, what Seller do for you, it gives you opportunity to get everybody wherever they are to get their currency, okay, to get their currency. So anywhere they are, they can pay you if they are living around those continent, Africa. Okay, so in case you are interested, visit my bio and you will get the link and you can buy your first product to know how to create your store and how to get pay whatever you want to sell there. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you all.